Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group. Today at Trinity Bay, we're going to be previewing the Arabella floor plan. This is part of the Veranda line of homes that Lennar offers at many of their communities here in Southwest Florida. One of three floor plans. The Arabella is the largest of the verandas that they have to offer. It's 2 bedrooms with a den, 1,569 square foot. It comes with a 1-car detached garage. 2 lanais, like you see here in the front, being the first one looking out towards the garage area, and then you have the one in the back featuring your view. As you walk into the Arabella floor plan, directly to the right is the kitchen area. Nice spacious kitchen area with the breakfast nook here. All Lennar floor plans come with a stainless appliance package, granite countertops, wood cabinets. This kitchen overlooks the dining space as well as the living room. Now coming back into the hallway, we're going to hang a left here, and what we're going to find over here is the guest bath, the combination tub and shower. You've got your laundry piggybacked right off the guest bathroom here with additional cabinetry in this one. And then your guest bedroom here with a nice walk-in closet. Now coming straight across from the guest bedroom, you have access to the den here. A nice sized den with the extra window allowing for extra light in this particular floor plan. And the den opens up into the dining space and living area as well. Looking back at the kitchen, you see there's plenty of space to add a few stools for bar top seating and eating and drinking. You've got a nice dedicated dining space here. Then an open great room design. The verandas do come with a dry bar as well, sandwiched in between the den and the great room. And the great room area overlooks your views. In this case, we have a beautiful view of the lake here at Trinity Bay. And a nice sized lanai as well. And lastly, we have the master suite here. Plenty spacious for a king size bed. You've got this cove here by the window to let your creativity flow with what you want to use that space with. And then you've got his and hers closets. And this leads you right into the bath, where you have a standalone shower. You've got your soaking tub, your dual vanities, private commode, and a linen closet as well. So this is the Arabella floor plan, part of the Veranda line of homes. You can buy them with or without golf memberships at many of Lennar's golfing communities here in Southwest Florida. If you're interested in the Arabella, you can give us a call, 239-671-4046. You can also email us, Roberto at trevisobay@naples.com. All the information will be in the comment section below on how you can get one of your own units just like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.